I want to be the first to tell you, Diamond Zone does not mean nothing.
Yes, sir. Look at that. 1961 for 5 miles at Sam's Club by 8 a.m. Let's get this day started. Spark all day today.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be doing Walmart Spark. Can't even speak right. We're gonna be doing Walmart Spark all day.
Yes,
we're gonna see is
sir.
it lucrative. We got quite a few incentives going. We're gonna see just how much we can rack up. How many trips can we get done? It's pretty early, starting at 8 a.m. You see that? We got frost all over the windshield, so it's getting cold. Fall time is here. First Walmart Spark order of the day. $20 right there.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Next order of the day, we got $12.50 for 10 miles at Chick-fil-A. Now, that's 1-to-1 miles to money ratio, but potential for a hidden tip. And right where I'm dropping this Chick-fil-A off, it's a Walmart. So we're going to go ahead and slide up in here and get this one done. We're doing Walmart Spark all day, but I'm going to do some multi-apping too. Because with this one right here, that's going to give us $32 for our first hour. Let's get it. So we got our first hour done. I got $12.50 on DoorDash. I picked up one Chick-fil-A order. It was going 10 miles down the road close to this Walmart that I'm trying to pick up from. And I got one Walmart Spark order done, 19 bucks for 5 miles. So Spark is the way to go. You know, in this changing gig economy we got, it's always changing. Things is always different. Month to month, year to year, week to week even. So right now, Spark got 3 promotions going on. And 2 of the 3 are running concurrently. So I'm gonna go over to my incentive program tab, and we have the starting the Spark. So everybody know about this one. You do your first 3 trips, you get 50 bucks. And then after 10 trips, you get 110 bucks. Then once you make it to 20 trips, you get an additional $210. So that's extra money in your pocket. Do what works for you. On this channel, we help you maximize with gig apps. And today we helping you maximize with Spark. So if you're doing Spark, it's a good time to be doing it. You can earn extra money for just doing the same thing you're already gonna be doing. I'm up to 6 trips already. And on this other incentive they got going on, this one's gonna be starting on the 8th. So that's next Tuesday. They have, so this is a 24-hour incentive, but they run concurrently. So this one will add on to the longer running weekly incentive program they got. So this one is 8 trips. Let's see, let me read it. It's 8 trips for 40 bucks. Then once you make the 12 trips, you get an additional 60 bucks. And this is all total, not stacking on top of each other. And then once you make the 16 trips, all within a 24-hour period, basically, you get an additional 100 bucks. So I'm gonna be working that day. I'm gonna make the extra 100 bucks. And then we got another one today. Same type of promotion. This one is called, it's just called Exciting Incentive. So with this one, if you get 15 trips done today, 11/5, no, actually this is a 2-day incentive, so this is even better. It gives you more time to get it done. So 15 trips, 48 hours, you get additional 45 bucks. And then if you happen to make it up to 18 trips, you get an additional 75 bucks. So if I'm able to get 18 trips done in these next 2 days, which is 9 trips a day, come on, I can do that all day long. Then that's an additional 72 bucks in my pocket for what I'm already gonna be doing. So do what works for you. Right now, Spark is paying premium. They have it. I mean, I literally sat here and declined a Spark order like 10 times in a row. And from the time that they first sent it to me to now, that single offer has increased at least 6 bucks. DoorDash ain't doing that. So do what works for you. So I'm gonna be sparking it up. We always sparked up, you know, just like my man's Cars and Cribs say. If you don't know who that is, check out his channel, Cars and Cribs. We about to be all the way sparked up. Alrighty, so we are 2 hours in on our little Spark day. And so far I've made $19.61 with Spark, $19.50 with DoorDash, and $11 with Uber Eats, bringing that total to $50.11. And I'm only 2 hours in. That's $25 an hour. And it ain't even super busy yet. I hopped in when it was slow. So we're doing real good today. Let's keep
Caterade. Let's get it.
If you don't know what Caterade is what you need to get you in your life. If you don't got no Caterade in your life, you're missing out on a lot of opportunity. Check this out.
This is Caterade. Caterade is when it requires you to take a photo of your catering bag.
And once you get to the level where you require a photo of your catering bag, that's where the real money is. Only creams of the crop. Stop playing with me, DoorDash. I'm not. They sent me a $5.50 for 3 miles right before this. I don't want that. This is what I want. If you want to know how to get into the large order program, let me know. I'm gonna make a video coming out detailing exactly what you need to do. Not just pick up the phone and call them. I'm gonna detail step by step exactly what you need to do to increase your chances and to guarantee that you get into the large order program. Shit, I just basically did $50.11 in 2 hours, and then turned around and declined the $5.50 for 5 miles. Next order they sent me, $14, 5 miles, catering bag required. Stop playing with me. I'm the fastest dasher alive. I already got the food. It's in the car right now. It wasn't nothing but soup and salad and sandwiches. You ain't even gotta cook that. This finna be $30 for 20 minutes of work. Let's go. And this the killer part. The store wasn't even open. The store didn't even open for 30 more minutes. The people came out. I ran up and caught them. Because they was loading up my catering order. They was finna have one of their drivers deliver my catering order. Can you fucking believe it? Hell no, I ain't let that shit slide. I'm the dashing trader. I dashed my ass over there quick. Hey, hold on now. What's the name on that order? Because I got a catering order now. If you got 2, that's cool. But this is the name on this order. Now what's going on? Turns out, they didn't even want the order dispatched through DoorDash. They wanted that order dispatched through their driver. DoorDash reached into their order system, pulled that large order out without their consent, and gave it to me. They was mad as hell. I'm gonna do a full video on this because this is gonna be a very important topic. If you got a DoorDash tablet in your store, they basically effectively then took over your store. All the order flow in your store, they basically then took all that over. So it's gonna be a video about that coming soon. But you know, that ain't got nothing to do with me. I got my catering order right here, $225 worth of salad, soup, and sandwiches. Let's go ahead and get it done. It's gonna be a $30 order. Might be high. Alrighty, folks, we got our $225 catering order dropped off. I went in there and I set it up and everything. Customer service. You know, I ain't finna just drop no catering order off at the door. No, I'm gonna bring it into the businesses, into the employee break room. I'm gonna set it up nicely on the counter, right? I'm gonna make sure everything's lined up, organized, professionally. Let's see how much we get for our professionalism. That one was okay, so I'm gonna hit them with the smiley face on that one because that one was okay. Hopefully y'all can see this. Everything was good on that one. $14 what was shown? What is it? Look at that, $30.50. Let's get it. On to the next. Today must be my lucky day. I just, for the first time ever in DoorDash history, I got 2 catering orders back to back. Look at that. We got 1631. You see that? Subway catering order. And I'm already here. And I already got it picked up. They had it ready when I got here. Now, I don't know how much we gonna be looking at on this order, but just the simple fact you get 2 catering orders back to back, that's a first for me. So we're gonna go ahead and slide and get this one dropped off. I also grabbed a shop and deliver on Uber, Target, $19.60 something for 3 miles. Now I hope this Plus card is working because I'll be having problems at Walgreens with it. But this is a Target order, a Target order. You know, it's for fancy people. So they got to have their machines together. So I'm trusting and hoping that they have their machines together because I need this 20 to add on to this because we banging it out this morning. I think I'm like at 120, 130 bucks. And I only been out for about 3 hours. Let's go.
I found out I had to come unlock the door 15 minutes ago. I'm like, Hayden, what are you doing?
That's how you do customer service right there. Bring it all the way in and you sit it where it needs to go. So turns out this one actually was an Easy Cater order. So let's see how much Easy Catering Subway pays. $16.18 is what it showed, or $16.31. So $16.31 is what we get. Nice. Now, why my dash ended, that's anybody's guess, but it doesn't matter. We're gonna go ahead and start that right back up. I think I'll go for about 8 p.m. Even though I'm not really gonna go that long, we're just gonna select that time slot. That way they think we in for the long haul and I can cherry pick some good catering orders. I can't make this up. I ain't even have to decline nothing. Look at this. Catering bag required. It's not food, but I'm still taking it like I'm going that way anyways. Let's go. There's 3 catering orders in a row. Let's go. Woo! you, it has been a morning already. So the time right now is 12:49. I've been out for 4 hours. 4 hours I've been out. I've made $147.95 by being selective. Not taking every order. I got 3 catering orders in one morning. Back to back. Never in my life have I gotten 3 large orders back to back. That's a big portion of the earnings right there. That's probably about $80 of the earnings right there. Spark and Uber, they filled in the other portions right there. Good payouts on Spark, man, I have to say. They really have, introducing Spark into the fold has really changed up the way that I look at everything now, because now Spark has become my number one. And by making Spark my number one, that allows me to effectively be the best cherry picker in my market, because I only do nothing but large orders on DoorDash now, and that's how it should be. If it's not showing me at least 12 bucks or like 9 plus, I'm not taking it on DoorDash. And 9 times out of 10, it's gonna say catering bag required too. I only want the best of the best on DoorDash. So $147.95. We did it in 4 hours total. So I wasn't even, that's, you know, if I went off active time, it would be less hours, but I was out for 4 hours total, so I count the whole time because I multi-app. That's $36.98 an hour. We rounded up to 37. That's $37 an hour multi-apping using Spark, DoorDash, Uber Eats, and Grubhub. Let's go. If you want to know how you can get into that large order program, make sure you comment down below if you want me to make that video. No, don't even worry about it. I'm making it anyways. But comment down below, what's the biggest tip you've seen on a large order? For me, it's been 25 bucks so far. Pretty sure I'll see a bigger one. I've only been in the large order program for 2 weeks, and already it's doubled the amount of money that I make on just DoorDash.